Hello everyone, I'm Alexandra from Extraordinary Art, and today I wanted to show some tips on urban sketching for beginners. So on my last urban sketching video I got a comment of someone saying that it would be impossible for her or him, I don't know, to urban sketch because they're so used to sketch from a reference picture. And I feel like urban sketching looks more difficult and scary than it actually is. So the biggest reason why urban sketching was out of my comfort zone is because you're not at home by yourself, but you're outside. And a lot of people will look at your art and what you're doing. And sometimes I kind of don't like it because in the process it still doesn't look that good, and sometimes I mess up and stuff, and when you're at home nobody sees anything, but when you're outside people will watch. So my first tip is just go early. Also it won't be as sunny, so it's better to work in. But when it's early, not a lot of people are like awake, so you can just draw without people staring too much. Something that also helps when you're starting is to work with a medium you're comfortable with. It's just to feel more comfortable because you are in a place where you feel less comfortable. So it kind of balances it out. Another tip is to be able to draw from real life. There are a lot of people that feel like they aren't able to draw from real life because they're so used to drawing from a picture. So to break down the image in real life, it's really easy to just grab a pencil and just look at angles of buildings and that kind of stuff and use your pencil as reference. Just stick it right in front of you and just follow the lines of your building and just transfer that into your drawing. It kind of breaks down the image. Another big tip for urban sketching is to always have a sketchbook with you and a pencil or a pen, because you'll never know when you see something beautiful. And I've had enough times where I didn't have a sketchbook with me and I saw something that I wanted to draw but I couldn't. Another thing with urban sketching is when you are planning your trip specifically for urban sketching, it's really important to just look what kind of mediums you want to use beforehand, because you don't want to add weight to your backpack without using your medium. It's kind of pointless. Just look what you want. And also having ready to go sets is pretty important. It's way easier to just grab your things and just go. I really hope you enjoyed it, so you can subscribe for more videos if you want and give it a like, and bye!